So you have a high converting website for your cleaning business, and you are running Google Ads. Nice work. What's next? It's time to employ strategic marketing techniques to stay ahead of the competition. One of these techniques is retargeting ads. And this type of remarketing can play a pivotal role in growing your cleaning business. Retargeting ads, also known as remarketing ads, are a form of online advertising that targets people who have previously visited your website but did not take a desired action, such as filling out a lead form or booking an appointment. These ads are designed to bring these potential customers back to your website and encourage them to take the desired action. Retargeting ads traditionally work by using cookies, small pieces of code placed on a customer's browser when they visit your website. These cookies track their online behavior, allowing you to display targeted ads to them as they browse other websites or social media platforms. This way, you stay on the radar of potential customers, reminding them of your cleaning services and enticing them to return to your website and take action. When they realize they need the services you offer, you'll be top of mind. Technology is always changing, and cookies are starting to go away for privacy reasons, but retargeting ads are still available and effective on both Google and Meta ads as of this posting. So let's talk about how to use retargeting ads to bring in more cleaning jobs. Not all website visitors are ready to commit to your cleaning services on their first visit. By keeping your business in their mind through retargeting, you increase the likelihood of converting them into paying customers. You can personalize their experience by tailoring the ads based on the specific pages or services a visitor showed interest in during their initial visit. This personal touch can make your potential customers feel like you understand their needs, which can significantly boost conversion rates. Retargeting ads help increase your brand's visibility by keeping your business in front of your target audience consistently. Even if a potential customer doesn't click on the ad immediately, they are more likely to remember your cleaning business when they do decide to hire a cleaning service, thanks to this repeated exposure. Pro tip: we've found that cleaners who run retargeting ads get a more efficient cost per lead on their search ads. Retargeting ads can be a cost-effective marketing strategy because they focus on prospects who have already expressed interest in your cleaning services. This means you're not wasting your marketing budget on trying to attract new, uninterested leads. Instead, you're investing in those who are more likely to convert, which can result in a higher return on investment. Consistent exposure to your brand through retargeting can help build trust and credibility with potential customers. When they see your ads across various platforms, it conveys that your cleaning business is established and reliable. Trust is a crucial factor in the cleaning industry, and retargeting helps you instill it in your target audience. Retargeting ads can be a powerful tool for growing your cleaning business. They help you recapture lost leads, offer a personalized experience, increase brand visibility, make efficient use of your marketing budget, and build trust and credibility. By implementing a well-thought-out retargeting strategy, you can keep your cleaning business top of mind and convert more potential customers into loyal clients. Ready to grow your cleaning business with retargeting ads? We run remarketing campaigns on a daily basis for cleaning businesses across the country. Book a call with the marketing experts at BookCleaningJobs.com today.